Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So the next top 5 favourite lipsticks of mine in my series that I'm doing today is purple. So I am going to start off with probably my favourite all-time purple lipstick. I have had this lipstick shade in my collection since I first ever started wearing makeup properly about 10 years ago, and that is MAC's Up the Amp lipstick. For those of you that don't know, I mean, look at it. It's a tiny little nub, but that's how much I love it. I have actually got a backup of this, but I love this shade. It's gorgeous. It suits all skin tones, and on brown skin specifically, it looks absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful pinky purple lipstick, but more veering towards the more purple side, and it's got an amplified finish, which means that it's very, very opaque, and it's like a nice mix between glossy and matte, but not quite satin, but more on the glossy sort of side. It's long wearing. It makes your lips look more fuller, which is why it has that whole amplified kind of texture and finish. But it's definitely a favourite of mine for brown skin. This next one is another one that I've had for donkey's years, and it is one of Stila's Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Aria. Any single person that I have seen with brown skin that wears Aria looks absolutely stunning. It's a gorgeous kind of deep plummy shade, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. And because it is a liquid lipstick and it's a stay all day one as well, it does literally stay on the lips all day long, and then the intense colour of it never ever fades. I think if you've got very, very deep skin, it looks more of a pinky sort of colour on you, but obviously this is geared more towards brown skin, women who've got similar skin tone to mine or thereabouts. So if you've got very deep skin, this will look more pink on you, but if you have got brown skin like mine, it'll definitely show more true to colour the way that it appears in the tube. And if you've got very fair skin, it will look more pink because your lips have definitely got more pink in them. Another classic is this Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita. This is so popular that she has released it as a normal lipstick, as an eyeshadow blusher, which I also have, which is gorgeous. It's basically like it's got its own little thing going on. Lolita everybody knows, and everybody should definitely have. It's a gorgeous warm plum shade, and because it is a liquid lipstick, it stays on your lips all day long. This lipstick is kind of similar to what I'm wearing on my lips right now. What I'm wearing right now is Barry M's Ride or Die Matte Me Up liquid lipstick. It's a new release of theirs, so I'm wearing it now. But this I actually find to be a very similar lipstick shade to this, but this one has probably got a little bit more warmth to it, whereas the one I'm wearing right now is a little bit more cool. But definitely get your hands on this if you can. This is just a miniature version of the full size one that I got, because I got it as part of a set with Lolita 2, which is more of a terracotta shade, but I've also got the full size of this because it is that good. This next shade is from Dose of Colours, and it is the shade Bury Me 2. It's a plum shade which has got a very strong magenta tone to it, so it is a very full-on, very vibrant shade. What I was trying to do in this video is show you different types of purple plum kind of colours as well. I didn't want to keep to the same tone, which is why you'll probably notice that every single one of these is a very, very different colour. Now, it was a toss-up for me between Bury Me and Bury Me 2, but I definitely find that I gravitate more towards this one because it is such a rich colour, and because it is so intense. This is the kind of lipstick that you tend to wear, or I tend to wear, literally on its own. Very, very plain eyes, big eyelashes obviously, but this is one of those statement kind of lipsticks. It wears beautifully on the lips. I love Dose of Colours liquid lipsticks. They're amazing quality, and this one is gorgeous. And then last but not least is Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick in the shade Material Girl. Another beautiful, beautiful colour. It's a deep plum shade. It looks stunning on deeper skin tones. It looks, to be fair, this is one of those lipsticks that looks amazing on all skin tones, but I absolutely love it. I actually like to pair this with the shade Showgirl, which is one of her metallic plummy liquid lipsticks. I wear that on top of this for like a more intense kind of sheen, but on its own also it looks absolutely stunning. I love Huda Beauty's liquid lipsticks too. They're very comfortable, they're non-drying on the lips, and they wear all day. You only need to put it on once and it will last all day long. The colour never changes on the lips either, and when it does start to fade, it still fades into a very beautiful kind of berry sort of shade. So that's it for my top 5 favourite purple lipsticks for brown skin. I hope you guys enjoy this video and are enjoying my little series so far. Other than that, I hope you guys are wonderful and great, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.